Hey, this is Coach Worsham, and I am going to make a video today for any of my students or families that haven't been able to get logged into ClassLinks and Teams to show you how you can do that. So once you are on your computer screen, first thing you do is go to a web browser. I like to use Google Chrome, but I also have Firefox, and there's many other web browsers out there. And go ahead and open that up. Once you have it open, the easiest thing to do is just to go up and do a search for Bibb County Schools. And if you search Bibb County Schools, the first thing that pops up is the Bibb County Schools website, which is www.bcsdk12.net. You go ahead and click on that. It'll bring you to the county website. You see the alert for COVID-19 there. Get rid of that. And if you scroll down towards the bottom, there is a section right here, quick links. And in there we got the class links. Okay, class link for parents. But I'm just going to click on class link. That brings you to this page. So for your username, students, you guys are first name dot last name and graduation year. Okay, so mine is not the same, but an example of mine would be Josh.Worsham 94. I know I'm old. That's when I graduated, 94. If you're a senior, yours would obviously be 20. And it goes down from there. Juniors 21, sophomores 22, and freshmen 23. All right, but I'm going to just go ahead and log in with my own credentials. For password, you guys, it's capital letter first name, capital letter last name. So for me, it would be capital J, capital W, and then your lunch number. All right, so an example would be capital J, capital W, 13130. That would be an example of a password. You put your username and password in, and it brings you to ClassLinks. All right, and here are all the apps that you have available to you, and these are growing by the day as we're doing more and more e-learning. But what we're looking for is Teams, and you can see there's a lot of different links here. All right, if you can't find Teams, which is right here, an easy way to do it is to go up to the search box and type in Teams. And then it'll get rid of everything except your Teams. Open that up. And it should log you right in. All right, so you may be on a screen, I was already logged in, that looks more like this. And your classes will all be up there. All right, so pick a class that you want to find out your assignment in, click on it, and you'll see up here at the top you got different options. Assignments is right here. Get in there and you got your assignments listed right here. All right, go ahead and click on the first one, and let me click student view. This is how it should look for you guys. And your teacher can add resources, like we have a PDF here for you to read on the Dust Bowl, and another Word document down here. So I hope that helps. That's how you log into ClassLinks and Teams, and I hope we can get everybody on board here this first week and be up and running completely with our e-learning for next week. Bye-bye.